The Southbend EH-10 is a life-changing, ventless, half-size, marathoner gold convection oven. The secret is the catalyst is built in the unit with no increase in footprint, and it doesn't create any noise. Perfect for customer-facing open kitchen concepts, this awesome catalyst that makes the unit ventless can be retrofitted to units that were made in 2015 and beyond. There is no need for additional electrical services to operate the ventless option, and the system never wears out, requires no maintenance, or the need for filter changes. Another great perk of this ventless unit is you still will get those amazing aromas from your product's baking, but it knocks out those grease-laden vapors.